First up, as always, we're checking out this amazing live wallpaper app called Zenta LED or Zenta LED. Don't really know the right way to pronounce it, but essentially it's a 3D live wallpaper with some amazing art designs in it. Now you can go over to the settings and select whichever art you want displayed in this neon futuristic look. However, most of the other options are kind of locked because this is the free version. In all honesty, however, the free version is more than enough, and as you can see, the wallpaper in itself uses the gyroscope and sort of gives a 3D depth parallax feeling, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I know you guys will, so be sure to check it out. Link is in the description below. Moving on, we have 1111, essentially a free DNS service which claims to give you faster network speeds along with private and safe browsing. Now basically, when you install the app and switch on the toggle option for the DNS server, the apps make sure that no ISP steals your browsing data by creating a VPN network, and it claims to make the network speeds 28% faster than the next public resolver. Now this is a no-nonsense app, and it does what it claims to brilliantly, and moreover it has a lot of downloads and a lot of positive reviews and is free, so be sure to check it out. It definitely works, and it's gonna help you browse the internet a little bit safer and a little bit faster if your network speeds are very low. Check it out, link in the description below. Now, no one likes typing long messages over and over again unless, well, you're cheesy at heart. Anyway, enter Typing Hero, a text expander app that turns certain keywords into big texts. Now, let me explain. So, all you need to do to make this app work is once you open it up, click on the plus button and hit on add a keyword. And let's say we enter the word subscribe, and then below that there's another tab for the real message, and you can add the real message in the tab below. Now once the app is enabled and you've added your keyword shortcut, every time you enter the word, for now let's say the word is subscribe, in any text field, it immediately changes the word to the full message. Now the app's free and has no clutter in it whatsoever. So well, we learned two things: that one, you should download this application, and secondly, don't forget to hit the bell icon and download the app up. Link in the description below. Alright, so being a YouTuber myself, I really shouldn't be promoting this application, but I checked it out, and well, it actually is effective in certain scenarios, so here goes. Now this, as the name suggests, is skip ads, and this basically automatically skips YouTube video ads after 5 seconds, and you can also hit on the mute button and it does itself on its own. Now it does work, and I have tried it in many cases, so be sure to check it out, and it's free, so hit the download button from the Play Store, but all I ask for return is don't skip the ads on my videos, please. Okay, moving on, we have a gallery application, which is still, however, in development, but it is so well made, I had to include it. Now, this is Focus Go, and essentially, it's a no-nonsense gallery app which shows all your images in a month-based format. Now, the main reason why I like this application is because there's not a lot to do. There are no useless features and gimmicks that you're never gonna use. There is just a gallery app which contains, well, what you expect your gallery to contain: all the pictures from all the different folders. So there is no folder system. It just shows you all the photos that you have on a month-based basis, and it has no ads, it's very clutter-free, and also has a true OLED dark theme. So if you have an AMOLED or an OLED screen, what else do you need? Well, nothing. Check this app out. It's the perfect gallery replacement app if you're looking for one. Moving on, we have the 1998 vintage camera app, and chances are, if you're a fan of the vintage camera look with light leaks and dust and film filters, you'll love this one. Now once you open up the app, you are immediately greeted with a ton of filters, all of which are vintage styles, from Polaroid themes to film kiosks. It's all in there. Now you can also manually add light, leaks and dust in real time by toggling the settings while you're clicking the picture, and the UI of the app is very intuitive. It also has a built-in editor and is very easy to use, so check it out if you want to get some of that old vintage camera vibe out of your next gen smartphone camera. Next up, we have Crumbly, a life hack application which really does have some new information on it. Now I can't tell you guys, but for the longest time I used to hate such life hack applications applications because they used to have the same old info on them presented over and over on various different apps. But this one is actually a fresh welcome and really helps you learn something new. Now you can select categories and it shows you hacks for those categories, and it's all in all great. Now if you sign in, however, you can also save certain hacks as bookmarks, and if you sign in to various other devices with the same ID, you can never essentially forget about the hacks and have it synced across various devices. If it sounds something you'd be interested in, definitely check it out. The next app, or rather game, is called Bacon. That's it. And this honestly has to be the most stupid, dumbest and addictive game I have ever played. Now, the game is divided into levels and essentially works on the concept of physics-based puzzle interaction. But all your task is to flip the bacon from your pan so you can put it on whatever the object the game provides you with. Now, I really don't know what it is, whether it's the cartoony graphics or the quirky opera music every time you finish the mission, or the fact that you're literally putting bacon on stuff that you never should put bacon or meat at all. This app is really fun and really addictive, so be sure to check it out if you want something to pass your time with whenever you're bored. So, I got a lot of questions asking me about the icon pack that I used, and after a good 5 months or 5 or 6 months of using the viral icon pack, which was my go-to, this is the next one that I'm switching to. Now, this is called Halo icon pack, and it's made by the same developer, and it really is something out of this world. Now, it's very close to the stock Android icons with a pastel filter and mellow undertone. So if something vintage and yellowy is something that you like, then chances are you love this one. It has a wide range of icons and it suits a plethora of home screens, and also has a very large launcher support along with its own set of wallpapers. Again, if this looks like something that you would like on your home screen, especially with the live wallpaper theme that we have going on, it looks incredible. Definitely check it out. Last but definitely not the least, I know you guys wouldn't let me live if I ended the video without talking about the home screen widget, so here it is. This is the watermelon skin for KWGT, and I really think it looks and feels amazingly great. Now, all of the widgets are super minimal and stylish, and it looks dope with the wallpaper itself. It has a very large collection of widgets, so if this is something that you're looking for, definitely check it out because, well, it's free. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're very close to 150k, so let's make that happen ASAP. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter for more BTS's and behind the scene looks on what I am planning next. And with that out of the way, I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, you guys have a great day. Peace out.